The equivalent length pipe fittings. Interactive calculator determines the total equivalent length of piping systems by accounting for pressure losses through fittings. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include total equivalent length from multiple fittings, total pressure drop with fittings, equivalent length from K-factor from equivalent length, compare multiple fitting types, and custom fitting analysis. For this demonstration, we're using total equivalent length from multiple fittings. Now enter your system parameters. Start with pipe nominal diameter in inches, then straight pipe length in feet. Next, input the quantity of each fitting type, number of 90-degree elbows, number of 45-degree elbows, number of T's flow through run, number of T's flow through branch, number of gate valves fully open, number of globe valves fully open, number of ball valves fully open, and number of check valves swing type. For our example, with a 4-inch pipe and 100 feet of straight pipe, we have 4 90-degree elbows, 2 45-degree elbows, 1 T through run, 1 T through branch, 2 gate valves, 1 globe valve, 10 ball valves, and 1 check valve. After clicking Calculate, the results show total equivalent length equals 336.67 feet. Fittings contribution equals 336.67 feet, and total system length equals 436.67 feet. The additional information indicates fittings add 336.7% to straight pipe length. This powerful tool helps engineers accurately account for fitting losses in their piping system designs. Find the link in the description below.